Yo, good morning everybody. It's AJ with Hippie Fertilizing. I'm out here in the Pasadena Deer Park area, and hopefully these mics are working really good because obviously there's a lot of sound around. It's kind of hard to get a perfect time, if you know what I mean. So we just put down 100 plugs of Zoysia in a pre-existing lawn, scalped the area. I used Landscaper's Pride topsoil to amend the area and fill in the holes. So let's see if we can flip this camera. Right here. And the rest of this lawn is looking pretty darn good. We do have some dichondra in here, which is a very prominent issue throughout the area. However, we got more St. Augustine growing in here than ever before. Like, look at how beautiful this lawn is. And let me tell you, it did not look like that 2 months ago. It was bare. There's hardly any grass. We did not put down any sod. Customer over here was like, are we sure we're gonna get it to grow back? Do we have to resod this thing? And let me just show you one more time how this looks. Does that look like that needs sod? It still has a couple little patches that need to fill in, but the whole lawn looked darn near like that. And again, let me know how well these mics are working, because we do have a lot of different sound going on in the area. Mower, hose running, stuff like that. And I'll go back and check this audio quality myself. But I do want to give a shout out to Landscaper's Pride, making some very top-notch screened material. It is the best screened topsoil that I have found on the market. If anyone else thinks they have something better, well, let me know. I love screened material. And organics, I have to say, they made me my 10-3-5 this year, and it is working wonders. I'm super ecstatic about it. Very pleased. My customers are pleased. We're getting green grass, and we're supporting soil biology. So it is a win, 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 right? So let's check out this little patch one more time. I'm going to take pictures over here in this section. I used my own 10-3-5 fertilizer. And then over here, we used the 10-10 fertilizer that came with the Zoysia plugs. And on both sides, we scalped it and we used the Landscaper's Pride topsoil. It is a very sandy mix with organic matter. So if you're looking for something easy to spread, easy to use, highly effective, with a good mixture of sand and humus, organic matter on our southern turf that you're trying to fill in patches, I think topsoil is the way to go. And there's a few of you out there that I'll be showing up with some bags, filling in those patches and make this stuff move along a little faster. Anyway, share your comments, your thoughts, your questions, and if you haven't yet, go check out what's happening on my YouTube channel. Just search Hippie Fertilizing, and also go check out our new website. The website's been updated, it looks good, it's a little more interactive, lots of good information on there. We have a solid blog that's been going on, and big shout out to Mint Desk Media for helping create the content that's been created this year in both blog and Facebook content. Erica Collins with Mint Desk Media is really doing a wonderful job at helping with the voice of Hippie Fertilizing get out there, and I want to say thank you for that. Doing amazing. Thank you for joining the team. Anyway, y'all have a super groovy day. I know I popped on at an odd time, but I hope to see your comments and your thoughts and a couple shares on what's going on over here, because we will be back to do updates. And again, how well did this mic do during all the noise of the mower and the sprayer and all that fun stuff? So one last glance. This, we're gonna see if this patch turns into predominantly zoysia. I'm excited. Look, I'll show you. This is a little zoysia patch. And this is a little zoysia patch. We did 100 plugs. So, y'all have a super groovy day. AJ with Hippie Fertilizing. Nobody knows grass like a hippie. Peace.